Miss of You. It's by a group called Dead Moon. They're kind of like a punk slash metal band. Um, I used to be so down. I thought I had been changed. When I found you was running around, I tried to play that game. I know the way now this time, it won't take long. I know the way now this time, it won't take long. Used to run around 2 by 2, trying to break our hearts. In the morning when the corners are jaded, I begin to fall apart. I know the way now this time, it won't take long. I know the way now this time, it won't take long. So if I seem unable to cope, it's for a miss of you. If what we were was only for once, you were worth the view. I know the way now this time, it won't take long. I know the way now this time, it won't take long. That's a really cool song. Uh, don't know why it's not more popular, but it's also a good guitar song because you're playing these stair step kind of shapes, like a C, and then it goes to F. No, actually, from the C goes to B over C. That's a very common. So we go C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the first chunk. And then the next chunk is F. So we're playing this stair step shape. We just shift fingers down from the C, playing on the D string, D, G, B. And then we go to A minor 7. But it's really the same kind of movement of these two fingers. And then we go back to the C. Now they don't play it like with arpeggios the whole time. They get into some strumming. You can play it like that too. And then the chorus is G, F. You can play it like this. And then it ends on C. B, C. It's the whole song. So have fun playing it. Thanks for watching. Bye.